Early on your Saturday morning, it's almost certain we will get severe thunderstorms moving through the entire area. The main threat is going to be straight line wind, followed by a lesser threat of a tornado, hail, and even flash flooding that follows. You've got to keep up with the timing of this, and it's right around sunrise when many of us will see that initial impact. Rain coverage early in the morning, about 100%. It falls off very quickly in the afternoon, but the morning could be more than unsettled. It's the second part of our weather system. The first part moved to the north today. We started with some morning thunderstorms. A portion of that stayed in the Gulf. But look at that comma-shaped band of rain and thunderstorms from Oklahoma into Missouri, back down into Texas. That's the signature of a low-pressure system. And all of those flashing yellow boxes are severe thunderstorms. There are severe thunderstorm watches to our north and to our west. And all of that gives you a clue that as this comes close to us, especially in central Mississippi overnight, there will be a level 4 out of 5 risk of severe thunderstorms. Now for us, this portion of the risk area is pretty much around sunrise. So level 4 risk, if you're in Greene County, Washington County, parts of Clark and Mobile counties, that means as the system comes in, it could be very strong, and then once it gets here, it could slowly weaken. Now even weakening still means a level 3 out of 5 risk for most of the morning tomorrow, and then by the afternoon, the threat of severe weather will be down. Although the rain totals are going to add up. Along the I-10 corridor, we could see 3 to 4 inches of rain. Inland communities, 2 to 3 inches of rain, and all of this coming in a short period, which is why we have that threat tomorrow for seeing an isolated flash flooding as well. This is the overnight forecast. By midnight, isolated showers, a few thunderstorms, and then toward 3 o'clock in the morning, a possibility that some of those could become severe, even though it won't be many in the middle of the night. But look how quickly from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. we see a line of thunderstorms approaching. Now that will likely be a squall line, which is a line of thunderstorms. By 6 a.m. crossing into Alabama. By 7 a.m. crossing the Tom Bigby, the Mobile River. Now keep in mind, that's fast. Now watch, from 7 to 8, all of a sudden into the Florida Panhandle. The line itself could be moving at 45 to 50 miles an hour. And that means it doesn't take much of a wind gust to get the wind to 60, 70, or 80 miles an hour. By 9 a.m., the leading edge in the Florida Panhandle, once the leading edge passes where you are, the threat of severe weather goes down. Then it's just going to be rain, and that rain tapers by the middle of the day. So keep in mind, thunderstorms, they build when the air rises, the rain starts falling, and when all the rain falls at once, and sometimes the air gets a lot colder, it rushes to the ground and creates a burst of wind, and that's the straight line wind. And when you have a line of thunderstorms, that covers a large area. Here's your 7-day tracker. Your code red Saturday, 100% rain coverage and severe thunderstorms. After that, a peaceful end to the weekend.